Hi everyone, it's Charlene from stampingwithcharlene.com. On today's episode of Stamping Schoolhouse, we are going to talk about the different inks that are available for you to use in your stamping projects. Let's get started. When you start paper crafting, you'll soon realize that there are different types of ink. There is the classic Stampin' Pad, classic ink. This is a water-based ink. This is something that you use all the time just to make a general card on your regular cardstock. You then have something called Memento ink, and this is great for when you want to color in with an alcohol-based marker like a Stampin' Blend. You would use Memento ink. It is a permanent dye ink. There is then an ink called StazOn ink, and this is a solvent ink pad. This is great to use on any kind of surface, but you don't want to use your alcohol-based markers with StazOn ink. You want to use your Memento ink for that. And then finally, we have something called Versamark. You've seen me use this in other videos when I stamp something and then I go ahead and emboss it. This is a clear ink. It leaves a watermark, so if you just want to make like a shadowy background image, it's also sticky. So you can look at some of my videos where I emboss things, and you'll see that once I use the Versamark, I then put the embossing powder on it, and I use the heat tool to emboss. So we have Versamark, we have StazOn ink, we have our Memento ink, and then we have our regular classic ink. Each type of ink pad also has a refill available, so you can either purchase the little refill when your ink gets dry and you can ink it up again, or you can just dispose of the ink pad and start over with a brand new. Another option is to purchase a set of these little things. They're little tiny ink pads called Stampin' Spots. They are uninked, and you purchase a bunch of Stampin' Spots and ink refills, and then you can make your own. These are convenient for smaller stamps. They're great to use on the Stamparatus, and they're great because then you can just have a tiny ink pad of whatever color ink you would like. I hope you enjoyed today's episode of Stamping Schoolhouse. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the little bell icon so you can receive an alert whenever I upload a new video so you won't miss out on any new information. Thanks for watching and have a great day.